Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1981 Fleer. Let's see what we can get out of this one. All right, ruined that card. Mr. Pat got gummed. Bob Walk. Let's go. There we go. Bye, Levin. All right, come on. Need a Ricky Henderson. Keith Hernandez. Nolan Ryan would be cool. Don Sutton. Mike Tyson. Bill Russell. Not too bad on that one either. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. If there's anything you guys want to see ripped, put it in the comment. If I got it, we will rip it. Thanks for watching.